you know we like to travel, so we couldn't afford to go to Greece, so we came to Nashville. So there's the Parthenon, a replica of the one in Greece.
It's our blessed adventure. It's our blessed adventure.
So if you can't afford the dollars to get to Greece, just come to Nashville. Maybe you can get some barbecue while you're here.
It's very, very pretty. It's very pretty. And it has a little park out here on the side of it where a lot of people picnicking and sitting and enjoying. It's very pretty. Made us stop here at the Union Station here in Nashville. It is an old train station they turned into a beautiful hotel. So we stopped to check it out. Look at that pretty guitar. It looks just like the train station. Wow, it's gorgeous. Wow, it's beautiful. They did a fabulous job.
Good time, enjoy the restaurant.
We just toured the Belmont Mansion. And it was beautiful. We couldn't take video inside, but we could take pictures. The majority of the stuff was an original, and it was just so neat to see. And it's on the campus here. Beautiful campus. Here in Ward Belmont College.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just think, your mom and dad know if they would kept that house on Wilson, we kept our house on Wilson. Open up your windows.
Yeah. Oh, yes. That is a beautiful house. I'm surprised I have like park benches to sit here and enjoy it. Restoration and revitalization. Beautiful old homes. And I said it, in the evening with these gas lights going, I bet it's so pretty. Oh my, that is just beautiful. Look at this house. Beautiful, peaceful that evening. Walking down through here, looking at these old homes. Look at that. So you can create your own candy bar, and they'll make it for you, and you can get it right at the end of the line. And this is something else they must make. Wow, so it's amazing that it's just this small production pretty much, and they have a little, yeah, tour back there, but this is awful small for making all the goo-goo clusters there are. So here's the original goo-goo clusters. I had no idea they have pecans, and then I had no idea they have peanut butter goo-goo clusters. I do really, really like the original goo-goo cluster.
2 seconds.
We did a mural tour here in Nashville, and we found, I had seen this on the line and we found it. It's on an old silo. Isn't that just amazing? And that man still lives in this area, and they've been trying to buy his house, and he doesn't want to move. He's lived here since I think 1926 maybe, and he's like one of the original people. So we thought that was absolutely gorgeous. Making another stop here in Nashville, a little gem of a place, actually that Karen found, called Colonel's Gourmet Popcorn.
So when we're out on the road, we're always looking for some good popcorn, because when you get a little good popcorn, it just kind of makes you smile. So here we are today, here at Colonel's. So we'll go in and we'll listen to their story.
Ooh,
Listen,
we need to have smell vision.
need some smell vision. Here he is. They got their sign up here. This is the Colonel's Bunch. Beautiful family. And here we are. We're coming up to the counter, and we have
Hello, I'm Amber. I'm one of the owners of Colonel's Nashville Popcorn.
hold on, let's do it this way, because
Okay.
it's just making it, there we go. That's
I
better.
am Amber. I'm one of the owners of Colonel's Nashville Popcorn, located in East Nashville, Tennessee.
So, here you are. You have one of the Colonel's founders right here. And let me tell you, the popcorn is delicious.
Thank you. I agree.
So,
How long have you been in and had this business going?
So we started in 2008. Like we started doing online ordering and events like around the city, and then in 2013 we opened our storefront. Like once we seen we had a following and everything. So we've been here 9 years. We celebrated 9 years
Awesome.
last month.
fantastic.
Awesome, fantastic.
Still popping.
All right.
Absolutely.
All right.
And the flavors are fabulous, and they also will let you try them out. And I just thought it was so interesting for the flavor of the month, green apple, which they show. When you look at it, it may not look that good. But Steve tried it and said it was really good.
So,
You can mix and match whatever flavors you want.
and she said they order online. You can order online. So, they'll ship it right to you. So,
At Colonel's Gourmet Popcorn.
so if you're
Nashville Popcorn.
Colonel's Nashville
Nashville
Popcorn.
Popcorn.
Nashville Popcorn?
Yes.
Yeah, so if you get your hankering for some popcorn and you need it sent to you, they can take care of that too.
And it's really, really good. And they make it right here. That's one thing that impressed me. We went to stopped at another popcorn place. The minute I walked in and saw the big boxes, I was like, no, that's shipped to them. When you walked in, you smelled it and could tell. It's super fresh and it's really good. Definitely check it out and definitely get some. So these are the things that we run into. Sometimes we were trying, because gas prices are so high, we were trying to find cheaper gas. and instead of a truck stop, but we pulled into this gas station and we didn't realize it has this little bank here. So we're gonna try to do some maneuvering. David will do good.
We're just glad to take it off.
You think? Okay. So we're going to end up just taking the car off and do it because he didn't want to take a chance to take the bank with us.
It's our blessed adventure. It's our blessed adventure.
We hoped you enjoyed our quick stop in Nashville. We enjoyed some of the great sights while we were there and had a great time at the campsite where we camped along the river and enjoyed the fire. So, if you get a chance, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and make sure you share Noel's Blessed Adventures with your family and friends. Thanks again for watching, and we appreciate you.